Yeah, let's go catch him.
Okay, go catch Daddy. Here's Gabriel Lee Henry. Actually, just a week before his 3rd birthday. Okay, going on the trail.
Bye.
Bye, have fun.
Come with me, okay?
Okay.
My goat is jogging. It's going over a dog.
I know, you're on the trail, just like Daddy.
Yeah, he's my goat. Yeah.
Hey, you having fun?
Uh-huh.
You look at Mommy? Look at Mommy? Look up at the camera.
Cheese.
Love you.
You okay?
Okay. Learning how to ride a bike. Balance is the first trick.
My way.
We have a few gumball obstacles.
Yeah, come on, my way.
And what? Say that again?
You don't roll me.
Come on, gumballs, you don't rule me.
Let's get on the sidewalk. Cheese. Whoa. Come with me, okay, Mommy?
Okay.